To all the investors in Dubai, today I've got you a great investment opportunities in Dubai real estate market. So come, let me explain you. So by investing 10 million dirhams, that is $2.72 million, and a 4% DLD, which is 425,000 dirhams, that is $115,000, you get an inventory of 9 units of 1 bedroom in a prime location of JVC, which is bang on to your Al Khail Road, and a 5-minute entry and exit point. And talking about the security, you will be getting a property registration and a developer's buyback option, which is guaranteed. And coming back to your contract, you will be having an investor deal contract between the investor and the developer for the next 3 years. So coming to the most important part of the investment, that is ROI, which is return on investment for the next 3 years. So first year, you will be getting 15% of the fixed ROI, which is $408,000. For the second years, you will be getting a 15%, which is again $408,000. And for the third year, you will be again getting a 15% return, which is $408,000. So accumulative for the next 3 years, you will be getting a 45% of ROI, which is 1.2 million USD. So your total investment in 3 years would be $2.72 million, and the return on that is $1.22 million. So in 3 years, you're making $3.94 million, which is again a tax free. So for more details, DM ROI and I will send you the details.